My English Book 1, Class 1. This is and that is. Read and say. This is a pen. This is a pen. That is a pen. This is an orange. That is an orange. This is a tree. That is a tree. This is an ant. That is ant. This is a pen. That is a pen. Point to the things which are near and say this is. For example, this is a pen. Point to the things which are far and say that is a pen.